Yeah, let's do something stuff which is funny. So let's think. So okay, if I think about like this, I want it to tell a joke to me. Or basically, the jokes won't be so much funny, but I'll just try. So for that, you need to install a package called pip install iJokes. So you can see already a requirement is already satisfied for me. So now what I do is import PyJokes. So I imported the PyJokes module, and now if joke, if in my text it's containing joke, then it need to tell me a joke for that. Suppose a variable is j, nothing else. So if the variable is j, then what I do is pyjokes dot get joke. So you can see get joke is one. So get joke, in the get joke, I want the arguments is it is should be in English. The language is English, and I want it to be neutral. The genre of the joke should be neutral form. Okay. So now it takes a joke from the module. There will be a set of jokes. From that, it will take a random joke, and then it will store it in the form of variable j, and I'll print that value j, and also similarly speak it. So that's all for joke. So you can see it takes the value from pyjokes. It takes a joke from pyjoke module. It will be in English language and neutral, and then it prints it and also speaks it. So we'll test this one.
Good afternoon.
Joke.
Microsoft hold a bi-monthly internal productive week where they use Google instead of Bing.
Yeah. So one thing, I don't understand the joke, but if you, then let's discuss it later on after that. But I don't understand the joke much. But anything, it's pre-installed in the module, so we need to assume it as a joke, but it's not. So similarly, if I want any random fact, so yeah, this one is quite useful. Suppose if you want to listen a random facts or something, then you can use this module. So the module is go to your terminal and install rand facts. So for me, it's already there. I hope, yeah, it's already there. Requirement is already satisfied. So now I'll import that module. Import rand facts. So after importing rand facts, so similarly now facts, if facts is in text, so f rand facts dot get fact filter. If you can, if you want to put a filter, you can. Otherwise, I'll leave it out. I want any fact is fine for me. In jokes, I don't want something else, so I just put it like now printf, and then similarly speakf. And if you run it, the fact should also work fine. So I'll try to run it now.
Good afternoon.
Fact. Okay, fact, not facts. I need to say facts. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Facts. Wait, I'll just change it to fact otherwise.
Good afternoon.
Fact.
Good afternoon.
Fact.
There's a bar in Ireland that opened in the year 900 AD and is still operational. It's called Sean's Bar.
Okay, I don't see why it's informative, but yeah, it's a fact. So it's working fine. So now